In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a glitch transition in Shotcut. If you have two clips on your timeline and want a fast, punchy glitch between them, this method keeps everything clean and controlled without extra layers or complicated effects. We'll start by finding the exact cut where your first clip ends and the second begins. Move the playhead close to that cut and position it about 5 frames to the left, still on the first clip. For precision, zoom in on the timeline so each frame is easy to see and use the left and right arrow keys to nudge 1 frame at a time. When you're exactly 5 frames to the left, make a split. This gives you a small isolated segment right at the end of the first clip, which is perfect for holding the effect. Now shift your focus to the second clip. From the same cut point, move the playhead 5 frames to the right. Again, use the arrow keys or the frame counter to stay accurate and make another split. You should now have 2 short isolated pieces hugging the cut, one at the end of the first clip and one at the start of the second. These tiny segments will carry the glitch and keep the rest of your footage untouched. If you prefer a slower, more pronounced glitch, you can create larger slices like 10 or 15 frames on each side. For this tutorial, 5 frames keeps the transition snappy and stylish without dragging. Click the small isolated piece at the end of the first clip. Open the Filters tab, hit the plus button, and search for the glitch filter. Apply it, then dial in the look. Increase frequency to make glitches occur more often. Adjust block height to change the size of the pixel blocks, and use shift intensity to set how far the image distorts. Color intensity adds those chromatic splits and color noise. Preview as you tweak so the effect feels energetic without overwhelming your shot. The goal is punchy, not distracting. Next, select the isolated piece at the start of the second clip and apply the same glitch filter. You can match the previous settings for a seamless feel or tweak them slightly so the distortion evolves as it crosses the cut. Small differences often make the transition feel more organic and dynamic. Play back from a few seconds before the cut to confirm the timing feels tight and the effect lands exactly on the transition. If anything feels too heavy, just pull back the intensity. And that's it. You've created a clean, controlled glitch transition in Shotcut. If this video helped you, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tutorials.